What are you going to cook for me?
Spinach. No.
Ronnie, what time is it?
8 o'clock.
Oh, and where did you see the clock? Where did you see the time?
Mommy, 8 o'clock.
Oh, 8 o'clock. Oh, I see. Yes, I see. I see.
Mommy can see a picture.
See the picture, but then you're gone. Now, you see the vegetables? Go make me something to eat.
That's mine.
Yeah, it's your kitchen. Go make me something to eat.
That's mine.
Yes.
The same.
The same. Now go make me something to eat in your kitchen.
Mommy, turn it off.
Turn it off?
Yeah.
But then I won't see you anymore.
What? Has Goni?
Where's Goni? Go in the picture. Go in the picture. Then I'll show you. Oh, there's Goni. No, but now you're gone again. Go in the picture again. There you are.
What?
No, but now you're gone again. You can't see yourself. Only I can see you.
Huh?
Anyway, what were you going to make me in your kitchen?
Mommy,
An omelette?
turn it off.
Okay, I'll turn it off.